In this video, I'll guide you through how to record Gusto payroll in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to using Gusto or QuickBooks, or you just need a refresher, this tutorial will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Setting up the integration between Gusto and QuickBooks Online ensures that your payroll data is accurately reflected in your financial records, helping you maintain a seamless accounting workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Gusto Administrator dashboard. If you haven't done this yet, you can simply navigate to the Gusto website and enter your administrator login credentials. Having access to the admin dashboard is crucial because it's where all the magic happens when it comes to managing and integrating apps like QuickBooks Online. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the App Integration option on the left-hand menu. This section is your gateway to enhancing Gusto's functionality by connecting it with other powerful tools. The App Integration menu is typically located towards the middle or bottom of the list, so just scroll down if you don't see it immediately. Clicking on App Integration will bring up a list of different applications that can be connected to Gusto. In the search bar, type QuickBooks Online and press Enter. This step is important because Gusto supports integration with a variety of apps, and searching ensures you quickly find QuickBooks Online without having to scroll through potentially lengthy lists. Once QuickBooks Online appears in the search results, click the Connect button next to it. This is where we start bridging the two platforms together. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your QuickBooks credentials. If you already have them handy, go ahead and type them in. If not, take a moment to retrieve them, as you'll need these details to authorize the connection. After entering your QuickBooks credentials, you'll need to authorize the link between Gusto and QuickBooks Online. This authorization is crucial because it allows Gusto to share payroll data directly with QuickBooks, ensuring all your financial records are up to date. Follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation that the link is established. With your Gusto payroll now integrated into QuickBooks Online, you'll find that managing your payroll and accounting tasks becomes far more efficient. The seamless transfer of payroll data means you no longer have to manually input figures, reducing the risk of errors and saving you valuable time. Additionally, having all your financial data in one place makes reporting and financial analysis much simpler. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded your Gusto payroll in QuickBooks Online. Should you need to make adjustments or check the integration status in the future, you can always revisit the App Integration section in your Gusto dashboard. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you can ensure your payroll data is always up to date in QuickBooks Online, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on administrative tasks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Gusto or QuickBooks support. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.